Hey there! Are you wondering how to make moving or storing your purple mattress a breeze? This week I've got you covered with a simple step-by-step guide on how to roll up a purple mattress. Whether you're relocating, adjusting your room setup, or just need to stash away your mattress for a bit, this guide will make sure you do it right without compromising on the quality of your beloved mattress. Step 1. Gather your materials. Before you start, make sure you have everything you need to roll up your purple mattress. This process isn't too complicated, but having the right tools on hand can make all the difference. You'll need the following: a mattress vacuum bag sized appropriately for your mattress, a vacuum cleaner with a hose attachment, straps or rope to secure the rolled mattress, a helper for easier handling. Having these items ready will make the process smoother and more efficient. Step 2. Remove bedding and accessories. Begin by stripping off all bedding such as sheets, pillowcases, and mattress protector. If you have a mattress topper or any additional padding, take those off as well. This step ensures nothing gets in the way and that you're working with the mattress alone. It also prevents any extra bulk, making it easier to roll up. Step 3. Prepare for vacuum packing. Next, slide the mattress into the vacuum bag. This step might require some maneuvering, so having a helper can be very beneficial. Once the mattress is inside the bag, seal it up according to the manufacturer's instructions. Ensure that the seal is tight and secure, as any leaks will affect the vacuum packing process. Step 4. Vacuum the air out. Using your vacuum cleaner, attach the hose to the valve located on the vacuum bag. Turn the vacuum on and let it suck the air out of the bag. You will see the mattress gradually compress and flatten. This process minimizes the mattress's size, making it easier to handle and roll. Make sure to remove as much air as possible, checking periodically to ensure no air is leaking back into the bag. Step 5. Roll up the mattress. Once the mattress is fully compressed, you can begin rolling it up. Start from one end and slowly roll the mattress towards the opposite end. Keep the roll as tight as possible, as this will make it easier to store or transport. You might need your helper again to keep the roll firm and compact. Step 6. Secure the rolled mattress. After rolling, use your straps or rope to secure the mattress in place. Ensure that the ties are tight enough to keep the roll from unraveling, but not so tight that they damage the mattress or the vacuum bag. Properly securing the roll will make it easier to carry and less likely to expand prematurely. Step 7. Store or transport the mattress. With the mattress rolled and secured, it's ready for storage or transport. Make sure you store it in a dry, cool place if you're not moving it immediately. If transporting, ensure it's loaded securely in your vehicle to prevent it from rolling around or getting damaged. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on how to roll up a purple mattress. With these steps, you can safely and efficiently move or store your mattress without any hassle. Remember, the key to a successful roll-up is proper preparation, tight sealing, and secure strapping. By following this guide, you'll ensure your purple mattress remains in perfect condition for when you're ready to unroll it again. Happy moving and storing.